I'm Scott Raabe, ESAB Elite, and I'm going to show you how to properly turn off a torch. We got the mixing valve right here. You have your fuel valve and you got your oxygen valve. We're going to hit the mixing valve. We're going to slowly turn it off. As you see, it's starting to feather. Mixing valve's closed. Now we're going to slowly take away the fuel till it recesses back into the tip. We're going to take out the oxygen. Once that's all closed, we're going to purge the line, make sure that nothing's in the line. I showed you how to turn off the actual torch properly. Now I'm going to show you how to turn off the valve. At the end of your cut, you want to make sure that each one is purged and showing 0. Close both tanks. Now we're going to purge the line. Watch everything go to 0. Loosen your cap. And close your valve on your torch. And that's it.